Hey, good morning, and we're here at the Roswell Gun Club. We're about to go do the American Rifle Challenge. 4 stages of shooting. I'm going to be using an AR platform, and hopefully it goes well.
It's a Saturday morning here at the Roswell Gun Club, and people are starting to arrive for another America's Rifle Challenge match. Join us as we learn what ARC is all about here in southeast New Mexico. Before the match gets underway, people are checking gear, catching up with friends, and meeting new shooters. One of the first things you'll notice is that while this is a competition, it doesn't feel overly competitive. Everyone is welcoming, and there's a genuine willingness to help each other improve. So, what exactly is America's Rifle Challenge? If this looks like something you'd like to try, here's the match announcement. I'll include links in the description where you can find upcoming match information and learn more about ARC. I spoke with Tim Price, one of the organizers here at the Roswell Gun Club. Out here at the ARC, I'm talking with Tim Price. He is the honcho in charge here from the Roswell Gun Club. And Tim, what exactly is the America's Rifle Challenge?
A few years ago, they kind of coined the term America's Rifle, referring to the AR-15 because it's the most popular rifle in America right now. And so this match was made to, in particular for, that rifle, pretty much any caliber you can put in the AR-15 because we're mostly shooting paper targets. And the idea is to get people familiar with this rifle that almost all of us have sitting somewhere at home. Some people shoot them a lot, some people not so much, but regardless, we need to be more familiar with them because they're great for hunting, they're great for self-defense, and they're great for competition just like this. It's a kind of a rifle that fits so many roles, and it's just time that we had something that was made just for that.
All right. What would you say the skills are that we're going to be developing if we continue to do this on a regular basis? What should somebody look forward to being able to get better at?
I think first off, you're getting better at understanding and knowing how your AR-15 works, how the controls are. A lot of people know how to pull the trigger, but here we shoot from standing, sitting, prone, kneeling. We do speed reloads, and you don't necessarily have to be fast here. You just need to be able to be smooth and move through the stages. And so when you're unfamiliar with the rifle, that's the part that trips you up. But as you practice arc and you do have more experience doing it, you just become more familiar with the controls, and slow becomes smooth.
Tell me about the Roswell Gun Club.
Well, I think one of the best things about Roswell itself is the Roswell Gun Club because we have a lot of space. We're not being hemmed in by people building a subdivision around us like so many other cities are. We have ranges all the way from 5 yards out to 1,000 now. We have, for example, today we have some people shooting F-class. We have a lead cast bullet match. We have the arc match. We have matches all the time. We have great weather, and the fee to become a member of the Roswell Gun Club is relatively low. Mm-hmm. So it's something that we have here that I think many places in the country would be jealous of.
And if somebody wanted to go to a meeting, to the actual meetings that you hold, where are they at? What time are they?
At the moment, they're being held at the Chavez County Sheriff's Office the first Thursday of every month, starting at 6:30.
And what does it take to become a member?
You need to go through the orientation. And so on the website, it'll list the number of some club members. Usually the president comes out and gives you an orientation of the range, some of the rules and expectations, and then pay your money.
Awesome. Well, Tim, I appreciate it, man. I look forward to the shoot today. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming out.
With the introductions and safety briefing complete, it's time to head to the firing line. One of the first challenges focuses on fundamental rifle skills, making accurate hits from multiple shooting positions. One of the goals of ARC is to build confidence while shooting accurately from a variety of positions. Throughout the course, competitors move between standing, kneeling, sitting, and prone while maintaining safe rifle handling and consistent accuracy.
Shooters ready? Stand by.
As the pace picks up, you will start to see that accuracy is only part of the challenge. Smooth transitions and consistent techniques become just as important as making the hit. With the fundamentals covered, it's time to add another layer to the challenge. Once the fundamentals are in place, it's time to add movement. Shooting accurately is one thing. Doing it while you're on the move is a completely different challenge. It's easy to think moving faster will produce a better time, but rushing often leads to missed shots or less accurate shot placement. Finding the right balance is all part of the challenge.
Ready? Stand by.
This stage brings these skills together.
Ready? No. Okay. Stand by. Taylor's taking his time.
The barricade offers a new challenge to test your skills. Competitors use the barricade to support the rifle and make accurate shots from a variety of positions.
Load your rifle. Has to be unsafe. You have to be standing. And you have to be standing when the buzzer goes off. Sir. Shooter ready? Stand by.
Everyone approaches the barricade a little bit differently. There's more than one way to, well, solve the problem. By this point, it's easy to see how each stage has built on the one before it. One question remains: how does the scoring work? After each stage, competitors score their targets before moving on to the next challenge. Each stage is scored using both accuracy and time, rewarding good shot placement and efficient performance. After spending the day at an ARC match, I came away with a few impressions. The first was the welcoming atmosphere. Whether somebody was shooting their first match or had years of experience, everyone was friendly, encouraging, and willing to help. The second was the opportunity to build practical rifle skills. Every stage challenged competitors in a different way, building on the fundamentals while encouraging safe, accurate, and consistent shooting. Most of all, ARC felt less like a competition and more like a community of people who enjoy shooting, learning, and helping each other to improve. If you'd like to learn more about America's Rifle Challenge or attend an upcoming match, you'll find links in the description below. Thanks for spending the day with us. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.